Hello everyone, long time no see. Welcome to Life with Erica. I do not have makeup on at this time. Life has been crazy. I am so sorry. They changed, I don't know if in the last video I let you know, but they changed Eric's medication, and that is always a huge adjustment period. If you're new here, my son is level 3 autistic, nonverbal, and he's been having so many fits lately, and it's been so stressful that some days I'm in tears. So along with that has also come some other things in regular life that has happened, and it's just been a wild ride. Every time I think I got it and I'm about to come back on, something happens. I did get the form, the Google form ready, so I will be doing the giveaway hopefully this week. Granted, nothing happens, although this morning I woke up to a text message. If you've been here a while, you know where my brother is. Well, some laws changed. He can't go where he thought he was going to go. He doesn't know yet, but it's been a wild ride. So I've been on the phone with lots and lots of people trying to figure out where to send him, where he can go, all this other stuff. And then I also woke up to, I guess, I don't know if a tornado hit our area or what, but people have lost their homes. They said it was just wind, but I've never seen just wind knock an entire trailer down, so like almost level it. So I'm thinking there must have been a tornado of some sort. Anyways, the reason we're here is we're going to open this Ipsy box. And I may throw in what I ordered from Sephora, because I just ordered, because I told y'all I was trying to keep everything affordable for now on, because people don't need to be spending a ton of money on makeup and other items and skincare. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to start testing out some other stuff that is affordable for people. So I ordered some stuff from Sephora that is actually affordable. It's The Ordinary. So yes, but this is my Ipsy box. It's about almost $35 a month, I believe now. I have to look, but I think that's pretty close. And you're supposed to get over $150 in value. I believe my box this month is $185, I think. I wrote it down somewhere, but the box took so long to get here. I don't know where I wrote it down. Usually I do my choice on the first of the month, and by like the second week of the month, this literally only came a few days ago. But by the second week of the month I got it, but it seemed like it took forever. And this month is Ipsy Charm. You know what? They may need to think about that. Okay, Ipsy Boxy Charm Main Character Energy. And on the back it's got this thing, scan to learn about the 5 products in your box. Glow big or go home. Bucket list for March, which is almost over. Support women-owned brands. Fully embrace blush blindness. Take yourself on a coffee date. Watch La Dolce Vita. Grab the Edit NARS in Ipsy shop on 310. Make pasta from scratch. I'm learning to do that, by the way. But here we go. And I even made recently homemade spaghetti sauce. We haven't put it on spaghetti yet, but it smelled so good. Alright, the first thing I'm grabbing is Drunk Elephant Oh Blues Rosy Drops. Oh, yeah, because it was on there, and I was like, you know what? I have a small version. Maybe I'll like this. So, everybody seems to love this. I'll show you my little one, because I'm not sure if I'm going to open this or if I'm going to put it in a giveaway later, because the little one seems to be doing fine for me. But it's like skincare blush drops. I could get my other one out. Let me see. So I could show you. It's the same thing. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. There it goes. And then you can rub it all in like that, where it just gives you kind of like a rose glow. You can mix it with your skincare and put it on your face just to give yourself a glow. It's definitely glowy. I've seen people use it, but I got this, so I'll probably end up putting this in a giveaway eventually. Alright, the next thing is Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask by Saturday Skin. It says it's 50 milliliters, 1.6 fluid ounces. Which if it's a nighttime thing, it probably, yeah, this will probably last quite a bit. I've had bottles of stuff like this that last a long time. It is sealed, I believe. Let's check. Yeah, it is sealed. So I'm not going to open it till I'm ready to use it. If I use it, because like I said, I'm trying to keep things affordable that I recommend to y'all. We have the Origins Bright Eye Cream. Oh, I remember this. It says in a different language. Great. This carton is recyclable. Alright, so this is Bright Eye Cream. I got it in Cool. And I don't even know if I picked this. Gently massage with fingertip AM. And again, to refresh application. So let's see if it's sealed. If it's sealed, I'm not gonna. Oh, nope, it's not sealed. Okay. So it says put under eye. Let's see. Feels good. Right under eye. Oh, great. I gotta answer the phone. Alright. Okay, I'm back. Like I said, I've been making phone calls, so I had to answer it, and it was people for Jason's parents who passed away 7 years ago. It sure did make it look bright, only, I don't know. We'll see what it does. Brightening eye cream. I think it just like emphasizes to look under your eyes. Now I feel like I need to put concealer on. Okay, I'm not going to put this back in the box because I used it. So I'm going to throw the box away. And we'll stick that with my daily skincare. Speaking of, since it kind of accentuated my eyes, let me go ahead. I've been using this during the day, the pharmacy feeling good thing. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my face. Oh, my face must be really dehydrated, which is weird. Alright, because that feels really good. Next thing on here is lip scrub by Element Beauty. Lip scrub exfoliates, buffs cracked lips. I have plenty of lips exfoliators, so this will probably go in a giveaway. I'm not going to open it because the last thing I opened to see if it had a thing on it, we know didn't have a thing on it. So I'm not going to open it since I'm probably going to give it away. And the final item looks like it is Wing Me Beauty or something. It's a palette of some sort. Okay, let's see. Ethereal Rose Face and Eye Palette. Kind of nice. Looking on the back. I like the 2-in-1 type palettes because sometimes I'm so in a rush I really truly use bronzer on my eyes. I can't get it open. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, just simple colors. A matte. This is a matte. This is a shimmer. Let me take that off real quick so y'all can see it. And this is called Velvet right here. This is called Bliss, I think. Might be the other way around. Okay, this might be... Okay, let me hold it like this. Okay. Yeah, this is Bliss. This is Velvet. The middle shade is called Dew. This is Ambient, and this is Petal. This is a shimmer, and this is a matte. Both the ones on the sides on the top are both matte. But that's nice. I'm not going to touch it because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. We know how I do. Alright. And that is everything. It's really a good value. And I get a lot of stuff for the giveaway items in it. So, alright. So we got that. Let me go ahead and put everything back in the box. Except for the ginseng eye cream. Okay. Oh, I had this room all under control, and then life got crazy, and it's not under control anymore, and... Okay. The next thing is my Sephora box. I'm just going to go ahead and do it, because we haven't been on very long anyways. Okay, I did get this to put in the giveaway box. This is a sample I requested, because I tried this from Influencer and I loved it. And it's got, this is the light texture one over here, and this is the heavy texture, or the regular texture, and it's got all these little things in it, and I loved it. And I wanted y'all to experience it, even if it's just one dose. But yeah, it's expensive to get this. But I remembered, because to do it, you have to like do these things on your face, and it is so nice, and I loved it. But no, I'm not paying the price that you pay for clearance. But I figured y'all could experience it. At least one of you. Natural Moisturizing Factors by The Ordinary Hydrators and Oil Surface Hydration Formula. And I honestly, like, this whole box was like maybe 50 bucks, if that. It wasn't very much, but they're very plain packaging, and I love that. And I think that's how they're able to stay low priced. And the next thing is the Skin Support Set. This was like under $10, and you get both the cleansing, after cleansing, apply. Okay, I'm gonna show you. They're just, and they're full size. This is the niacinamide, which is really good for your skin. It's got niacinamide in it, and then it's got hyaluronic acid, one right here. And you can put them, if you want, in your little refrigerator, like your actual refrigerator. You don't have to buy one of those things right there. In fact, I'm kind of wanting to get rid of it because I don't use it. And it has a little pamphlet in here, but you get two. And they also had one that I got a while back that had two sample sizes. One of the hyaluronic acid and one of the peeling solution that everybody loves so much, which I used on Jason last night. And then this is 100% niacinamide powder. You mix this with like a moisturizer, and you can put it on your face. So I wanted to try that. And then we have the GF Age Support Serum to help minimize and repair visible skin damage. Like I said, this stuff you could go through and find just the basics, because you don't want to put a lot of serums on. And I like the dark color bottle, because the dark color bottle means that it's keeping the formula safe. So that's obviously got some stuff that needs to stay out of the sunlight for the most part. And the last thing on here from them is retinoid emulsion. I've been using retinoids for a while, and you can see it's got the clears. So I haven't started using that vitamin C stuff, but I am going to. I'm just trying to go through the stuff in order. This is Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. It's a sample packet. I got that to go in a giveaway. And then I got this Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer that I figured I would go ahead and stick in a giveaway. I mean, they only maybe deluxe sample sizes. And I got Angel Elixir by Mugler. That's on the other side. It's just a sample bottle. But yes, I am going to try. Promise. Remind me in the comments to get that video up. I have some stickers in there for autism support. I put some straw covers and some iron-on t-shirt things for whoever wins. There's just one t-shirt thing per gift box, per giveaway box. Also, I did want to point out that on these, they tell you once you open this, like the retinoid, it's only good for 3 months once you open it. But if you use a little every day, you will go through this entire bottle within that 3 months. The rest of these don't really have one. This one, okay, this one's 12 months. The moisturizer. This one's 12 months, and this is the solution, the GF solution. This has an expiration date. I love expiration dates on stuff. Oh my gosh, that is my favorite. Because then I know if I still have it in 2027, it's no good. But I hope all of you are having a wonderful day, staying safe, staying loved. Let me know how you've been. And I really am. I need y'all to remind me almost daily to please, please, please. And thank you, Jean, for reaching out last night or yesterday on the comments. Yes, I know I've been way a while. I didn't realize until I looked how much of a while. But I'm telling you, Eric has this screech lately that's like a cross between a pterodactyl and a minion. And he starts doing that and he'll do it for hours. And your nerves feel like they're just on edge, and I would have to go outside. So I love my son, but sometimes you have to go outside so that you can get your mentalness back. So I am very thankful for all of you, and I will put my Walmart storefront down below, and I will be adding a hair care part to it because I tried that Being shampoo. That's what I've been using. And because I had a problem in the back of my head for some reason, I started getting some sores. I don't know if it's psoriasis heading to my scalp, but I started using it and they went away. And I'm actually loving the way my hair looks and feels. I'm not putting any conditioner, leave-in conditioners in it right now because I'm trying to see how the hair actually is doing, like what's going on. So, but it has like, for $27, you could get the shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and a hair mask. So that is pretty good. That's about the price I was paying for one bottle of Bailage. And I really like the way my hair is looking. So, all right. And here comes Eric. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye.